Hello, everyone. Today, I'll present my digital resource called Developing Data Literacy through a project-based barbecue budgeting task using Excel. So this resource is designed for adult migrant learners. I created a Google Site learning website that guides students through step-by-step Excel activities using a real-life barbecue budgeting project. So in this project, students working in groups to plan a barbecue event for 8 people with a budget of $120. They learn how to enter data, organize information, calculate totals, and create pie charts in Excel. So on these slides, I'll show the learning outcome of the project. First, students learn how to enter barbecue item prices into Excel. Then they use colors and categories to organize information. After that, students use the sum function to calculate totals and analyze spending data. Next, they create a pie chart to visualize spending patterns and compare group decisions. Finally, students discuss and interpret the result to decide which budget plan is more balanced and reasonable. Overall, the project helps students develop data literacy skills through organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data in a real-world barbecue budgeting task. On this slide, I'm gonna play how the resource is used in the class. First, teacher introduced the barbecue budgeting scenarios and model the Excel activities step by step, including data entry, categories, and the sum function and the pie charts. Second, students complete guided practice using the website instruction. Third, students work in small groups to analyze its barbecue spending data together. After that, groups compare each pie charts and spending patterns. Finally, students evaluate and discuss which group created the most balanced budget plan. This learning process encourages cooperation, discussion, and practical use of digital skills in a real-life context. Now, I'll explain why the resource is effective for learning. First, the resource is supported by behavior needs and cognitive needs. The quizzes and the immediate feedback help reinforce Excel skills. Also, large fonts, color coding, and highlight the keywords reduce cognitive overload and make learning easier for adult learners. Second, the resource uses construct needs and project-based learning. Students construct learning by analyzing, revising, and comparing budgeting decisions. They also use authentic budgeting programs through cooperation and decision making. Finally, the project connects to the TPACK framework. Excel, Google Sites support data analysis and visualization. While technology, pedagogy, and content are integrate to support data literacy development. So here's the website. So let's have a look. Yeah. So now I will show you the website. This is the home page. This is the home page of the website. Students can use the navigation bar at the top, move through each model, such as home, step 1, enter barbecue item prices. Step 2, step 3, and step 4, and quizzes. At the end of the website, students also can complete a short quiz and reflection activities to review their learning. Yep. So, one second. So each module, they provides step-by-step instructions, screenshots, and videos and quizzes. Each module have those 3 parts: step-by-step instruction, videos, and quizzes. Now, finally, I'd like to share some reflection from this project. First, I learned that authentic tasks can support more meaningful digital learning. The barbecue budgeting scenario helps students connect digital skills with a real-life situation. Second, learners develop digital skills through solving real-life problems. Third, step-by-step support is more important for adult learner with lower digital literacy. Fourth, technology tools are more effective when combined with appropriate pedagogy and content. That's all. Thank you.
Stop the meeting. Stop the meeting.
Which one? This one?
Should stop.